How to clear clipboard on any Android device. If you don't know, your keyboard on your Android device saves all of your copied takes and all of those texts will be saved on your clipboard. So let's see how you can clear it. Right now I'm using Google Keyboard, so uh, this is the layout right here. So if I want to go to my clipboard, here is the option right here. But if you don't see this option, what you can do is tap on settings, tap on this dot right here, and here you will see an option for your clipboard. You can simply tap on it, and here are all of the recent texts. You can just swipe them to delete like this, or you can just long press, tap on delete like so. Or you can also tap on this pencil icon to edit and select them, and then simply delete. Now the clipboard is empty. If you are on Samsung keyboard other than the Google keyboard, let's see. So if I switch to my Samsung keyboard, and if I want to go to my clipboard, it's right here. I'm just gonna tap on it, or you can tap on this three dots right here to open your clipboard. You can find it somewhere right here. Mine is right here. So these are all of the text that I have copied. So in order to delete them, here is the delete icon. And if I want to delete all of them, I can select all and then simply tap on delete, and all of the clipboard's texts and photos are now gone. And that's how you can easily clear clipboard on any Android device. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.